Hello guys, so this is the second part of the tutorial about coding on FNF. I forgot the name, oh no, I didn't look at it. Anyways, so yeah, I just wanted to do a little bit of disclaimer, saying that I do recommend that you know code before following this. Like, try to know at least a bit of code while following this tutorial. Mostly because, well, there's gonna be code, obviously. I mean, there's no problem if you don't know any code. Like, it's just a recommendation. To I don't want you to have problems. Something. Okay, so let's get right at it. Okay. Okay. So open VS Code. Gonna do. Can you do it? By the way, I'll be using Psych Engine 0.6.3 this time. Anyways. So so in this tutorial we had to do a boyfriend secondary character. That's really easy, don't worry. That's like the other tutorial I made, but with some difference. Because first of all, we got the charting state, and we can create another node. Or if you have a node already created from the other tutorial, like a secondary character node, you can actually use that node. But since I'm starting all over scratch, so I'll make it again. But if you have one already created for secondary. If you created a secondary opponent character and you're using a node, you can use that node. No need to create a new. Okay, so I'm gonna name it a second boyfriend node. Remember to add a comma here because it's gonna have an error if you don't do that. Okay, so once we have done this, you can export if you want, but I'm not gonna export yet, but exporting now will basically create a new node. It will look like a normal node since we haven't added any code to this node. So it will also do nothing. But oh well. Okay, so now we gotta go to play state. We gotta look for a variable called dad. Well, or girlfriend or boyfriend, whatever you want. Okay, so over here we gotta look for we gotta create a variable. You can name it whatever you want. I'm gonna call it boyfriend B, and we gotta set its type to boyfriend. There's a class named the boyfriend, and set it to null. You will assign its value later. Okay, so we gotta keep looking. Okay, I'm gonna look for a boyfriend instead. Okay, so now okay, now we gotta look for. Now we gotta assign the variable, so you just look for boyfriend is equal boyfriend. Okay, over here. So this is really easy. Just do boyfriend equals new boyfriend. Oh wait, boyfriend B, sorry. Because well, yeah, we didn't. So you gotta assign this variable we just made. Just this one, and you gotta assign it to new boyfriend. So you gotta assign the position here. I'm gonna set it to I don't know. I'm gonna set Okay, and we're gonna set the character here. So just put on some sorry, some. I forgot the name of this, but yeah, it's a string value for. Okay, so go to assets, reload, characters. You gotta choose a character from here. Yeah, it's gonna be the JSON. It's gonna be the JSON. Like not the XML or the PNG, the JSON. Okay, so I'm gonna choose Pico player because I chose normal Pico. I chose normal Pico tutorial. I'm gonna choose Pico player now. Okay, so to add the character, which you can add whenever you want, I'm gonna add them to the start. So to add them, just do boyfriend the group dot add boyfriend B, and then you'll have the character added. So if we want to compile now and try it out, which I'm gonna do right now, just the line test windows, like just compile the game. Okay, I think it would take a while. Okay, there we go. Okay, so going well, for now, going to any song will basically add the character, but well, I'll show you. Yeah, just a little bit of just a little bit of spoiler. Pico player will now appear in any song. Oh wait, I got okay. I just got remember. He will appear on the left because I set the position wrong. I'll set it right. So the problem is Pico will now appear as a player in other songs. Like Pico will appear, but he won't be that useful. It will be like a background object, like not too much. Okay, why is it taking so long? Oh, please. Just load. There we go. Okay, let me drag the window here. The appears, of course. Okay, here. So, going to basically any song on the game will make Pico appear. We can go to Fresh, for example, and Pico will be there. Oh, okay, the position is right. But he's like a statue, and he doesn't even sing. Like, if we go to charting state, and we play some notes, he won't even sing. Boyfriend won't sing instead. So we gotta we change that. We also set Pico. Okay. Okay, that's better. Okay, so basically to make Pico not appear in basically any song, let's just get this, Control X, and we're gonna look for start countdown. We're gonna look for the function, not the variable. So where's it? Okay, here it is. So now we're gonna do if your song dot to lowercase is equal and the song name you want in lowercase. Pretty important, lowercase. Like, okay, if you don't want it in lowercase, you can just remove this and copy and paste it. But I'm gonna put lowercase because it's more comfortable for me. So for this, you just gotta go and Ada. You normally get the song from the chart, so you go in here and you get this. Although remember that if the lowercase is added, change change all change all of the lowercase to uppercase to uppercase or the lowercase. Okay, so once we have done this, oh wait, I forgot. Oh well. Okay, it's enough. We can just do boyfriend group dot add boyfriend B. It's enough. Okay, now trying it will work this time. Okay, so so I'm not gonna compile again because we already know what this is. So next step is making Pico dance. You gotta make Pico dance to the beat. So just look for a boyfriend that dance. You'll find yeah, you'll actually find 4 of these. So for each one of these, you're gonna do the next stuff. So for the first one, it's really easy. You just gotta do if timer dot PMR dot loops left. By the way, just saying I'm mostly copying what it's here, what the song here. I'm not doing anything original, but yeah, it's as easy as that. So boyfriend B dot dance beats 0. Okay, I'm gonna be explaining now that I'm here. Okay. Uh. So basically, this gets okay. So this gets the beat amount, and well, it makes the val, which basically returns the. I don't know how to explain now, but it returns a value between 0 and this value over here, which basically declares how many times his boyfriend gonna dance or any character is gonna dance every 4 beats. So basically every section. So if it's 0, it's gonna if it's 0, it's gonna do that. But there's more conditions. So let's go to the next one. Boyfriend B dot animation dot per anim is not null. Okay, so this one is basically to avoid getting errors. So if it is null, I think, but in case it is not null, it means he's already playing an animation, so he will then. So this one is mostly to avoid getting an error. So don't worry. Okay, and not boyfriend B dot animation dot per anim dot name dot starts with starts with Zeng. So what this is doing is that well, let me add another one because this I think this one will be good to explain. Boyfriend done. So these two over here basically these two over here detect that boyfriend is not singing. Boyfriend is it's like these ones detect that boyfriend is not on a singing, like he's not actually singing, and when there's no more arrows, then he can just keep dancing. So with all of this checked, okay. So when all of these are checked, just do boyfriend B dot dance. That way he will dance the first. Okay, let's go to the second one. Okay. So this one is for playable characters. This is really easy. We can just do else if copy all of this and change all of the boyfriends for boyfriend B. And I'm gonna explain too. So don't worry, I'll explain what. Okay. If boyfriend B that animation that create anime is not well, this one basically does the same as the stun one. It detects that boyfriend is not singing or playing any important animation instead of idol. And well, and this too basically detect basically the same, but it includes the misses. So basically, just so there's no box with misses. Okay. So once this happens, I do boyfriend B that dance. And that's it. Okay, we got the second part complete. Let's get to the third one. Okay. Else if okay. Basically the same one. We can I think this is the same one but in another part just to avoid glitches. So you can just copy and paste. I don't need to explain anything because it's this part because it's a okay there. You just keep changing boyfriend for boyfriend B or whatever your variable is. Okay, time to go to the third part. This is I think it's well it's a bit different than the it's a bit different than the first one. And I'm gonna explain. Okay. Her beat, Malice, boyfriend B, dance, beats. Equals 0. Okay, so this one detects that so if her beats, so if the current beat, which is basically a fourth part of a section, well, if a curve beat uh between the well basically every beat where boyfriend dances is 0, which I already explained this one before. Boyfriend B dot nation anim not no, again the same, detecting that the animation is not doing anything important. Not boyfriend B dot animation nm dot name dots. Okay, this is pretty long. Dots with thing. Okay, so this one basically is detecting that boyfriend is well basically the same, just so that boyfriend does not is not doing any important animations. So basically, this avoids boyfriend dancing when, for example, singing, and it got some glitches. So boyfriend B dot dance. Okay, I know that one was pretty long, but we're finished with dancing. So we can export again to check if there's any errors. So with some luck, it should work now, and Pico should dance. Okay, so let's check. Okay, there we go. Okay, we're already beyond the. Oh well. So let's try this. Well, first of all, let's go to Bobby Bo to see if Pico appears. No, he does not appear. Okay, that's good. Oh, and I forgot I got. Okay, let's go to Fresh.
3, 2, 1.
Pico does appear. Good. And he dances. That's good. Okay. It is some progress. Okay, let's continue. Now we're gonna make him actually sing. It's just the fun part. So let's go. Okay, I think it was. Okay, he's already dancing. Let's look for Pico. Oh wait. Good. Note hit. So in the opponent tutorial, we had to use opponent note hit. Note hit. Which is over here. So this time, we're gonna use well, we have to use good note hit. This is the function used for the player. So remember, if you're doing an opponent, use opponent note function. If you're doing a player, use good note hit. Well, that's everything. You can also do misses. Let's go. Okay, here it is. Okay, just copy it and copy this. Well, no, never mind. Do not copy it. That's for another thing. What you need to do is push jar. Okay, here. Okay, so if node dot girlfriend node, so this is for the girlfriend node. It makes a girlfriend sing if you're pressing a girlfriend node. So there's an else if. This is for the. This is an else. There's an else. This one is for the boyfriend. So if we want to make one for another character, we just gotta do else if. And in the condition, we're gonna have node dot node type is equal. And over here, we just gotta go to charting state, copy the name for the node type, and paste it on here. And inside here, we can just copy boyfriend one, but change boyfriend for boyfriend B. It's as easy as that. Now we just gotta do the same for Mrs. and well everything else mostly. No, this is the opponent node head. Node miss. There's no. Okay. Okay, so these two. These two. Okay, if the node. Else. No, never mind. Let's just do an if and that's it. The node dot node type. This is for the node type. Is equal to the, oh wait. Just copy the name again. And this time do char equals boyfriend B. So do the same for node mispress, in case someone is playing without a ghost node here. I think it was called. Anyways, so where's the? I forgot. But mispress. Forgot that. Press. Okay, never mind. It doesn't play on me. Okay, so we can export now, and it should be finished. Yeah, I think so. I think it will be finished. So I will let you guys discover everything. Because I don't want to explain basically everything, because well, I'm just going to explain how to create the character and how to make it work. I'll let you guys do anything, and because I'm not going to explain basically. Okay. Okay, we're almost done. We just gotta try it. Okay, there we go. Now it's gonna open. There you have it. Okay, let's try it out. Replay. Fresh. I don't know why I like testing everything on fresh. Okay, let's try this. Have some show notes. Okay. Let's do some test. Okay, let's try it out. 3, 2, 1, go! As you can see, it works. Twist. So there you go. That's how you create a boyfriend character, a secondary character. It's as easy as that. So thanks for watching. I hope that you make really good mods. Bye.